In this video, you are going to see how to use drop cap in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, let's get started. If you want to make the drop cap using increasing the font size, it will not look perfect. So what should we do actually? Let me press Ctrl Z. Now select the text you want to drop cap. Go to Insert, go to Drop Cap and click on Dropped. Here you will see two options. You can use this one or I am going to use this option, Dropped. You can increase or decrease its size using like this, or here we have another option. Again, go to Insert, go to Drop Cap, go to Drop Cap option. Here line to drop. If you want to increase the line, then the drop cap will be used 5 lines, and you can increase or decrease the distance between the text and the drop cap. Click on OK, and here you will see the distance between text has been increased and the drop cap also increased. Now if you want to change the font, just select it, go to Home and change the font from here, and this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.